Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add the 200 EMA on MetaTrader 5 mobile app. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 5 app, then click on this icon here at the top. Now click on F+, click on Moving Average, and we have here period, change it to 200. We have here method, we have simple, change it to exponential. And we have style, change 3 pixels to whatever you want. So this is for the thickness of your PMA line. I will choose 4 pixels. And we have here the color. I will change it, for example, to blue, like this. And click on save. Now let's go back. And as you can see here, this is our 200 PMA. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.